So now that we have our eyes primed, I'm going to be taking the Beauty Treats matte palette. This is their blush palette, and this palette is definitely great for if you want more pink makeup looks or rose gold makeup looks. It's just perfect for that type of look. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this nice pretty, I think this is more of a nice light brown shade, and it looks kind of pink on camera, but it's not really pink, it's just obviously a nice brown shade. And I'm gonna take this pretty dark brown, I'm gonna mix these two together, and that's gonna be our crease color. See, on the brush it looks kind of like a brown, but we're gonna use that as our crease color for today. So curious if you want to see today the first Valentine's Day look, then I will have it linked below in a picture pop up of the thumbnail so you guys can go check it out. Okay, now that we have the color in our crease, now we're going to focus on doing a half cut crease this time. Usually I go for more of a full cut crease, but right now I want to just focus more on a half cut crease. And I'm going to take my favorite concealer, which is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan. That's the feathers I'm going to take it because I do want to leave some color in our outer V, so I just want to leave some color. Little definitely goes a long way, so be on the lookout for that. A little bit goes a long way with this concealer, which is a good thing. Alright, the brush that I did use to apply this is the Urban Decay brush. I use an Urban Decay brush. See, it says Urban Decay on it. Now I'm going to be taking a powder, and I'm just going to be taking a powder. Then I'm going to be going in with Center of Attention from the Ruby Kisses eyeshadow palette. This is their pop out shadows, and I'm just going to be taking the Center of Attention and applying that shade all over to the lid. I'm just going to use this pretty, this is a brush from Jasmine Labelle Cosmetics. Then with the same palette, I'm going to go in with Universal Truth. I'm just going to be taking Universal Truth, and I'm going to be applying it right in the center of it. I'm going to be taking the Black Truffle eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using that shade as our outer V color. done, but I am going to be taking this gorgeous brown color from the Judy Time palette. Yes, I'm using a lot of shadows today from different palettes. I'm going to be taking that color and I'm just going to be applying it right in the center of the lid with a little color here, which is like a nice vanilla shade, and I'm just going to be mixing this shade and this shade to create the perfect eyeshadow. What I'm doing is basically going back in the crease and also just blending out more. I think I know what I want to do. I'm gonna take this pretty brown color here and I just want the crease to have a little bit more depth. There we go. As you can see, the difference in this eye compared to this eye looks better. That's what I can work with. Okay, I can work with this. Now I'm going to be taking this pretty color here from the same exact palette from the Judy Time palette, and I'm going to be using that in the inner corner. Give it a little bit more sex appeal and a little bit of end of the brow. Ooh, yes. I like what I see. Like what I see. Okay, so now we're just gonna take that same brown that we used in the crease, the second round, and we're gonna use that to apply under our. We're gonna use it to apply to our lower lash line. Took a minute for me to say that, but. This eyeliner, which is from Color Mates. Color Mates, I love their eyeliner. It's bae. It's the bomb. It's the bomb. It's the bomb. It's the bomb. It's a lot to work with. So I'm just gonna pop on some lashes and come back with the rest of the beaded face. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a massive thumbs up, and I gotta go, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.